Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an initiating coverage. Our analyst has initiated coverage on NIIT Learning Systems Limited with buy rating and price target of Rs 550, valuing the company at 22 times September FY25 EPS. As the company is uniquely positioned to tap into the vast learning and development market opportunity. Current penetration of outsourced learning service in the L&D sector is less than 5% of the total addressable spend, which is approximately $240 billion and growing. This presents a significant and multi-year growth opportunity for NLSL. NLSL consistently generates robust cash flows, enabling it to build a strong war chest for pursuing inorganic expansion by acquiring a company every 12 to 18 months. NLSL aims to organically grow at CAGR of 20% and sustain margin of over 20% over the next 3 to 5 years. The company aspires to reach revenue milestone of $400 to $500 million by FY27. We expect NLSL to report strong sales of 17.8% and PAT of 24.9% over FY23 to FY26 estimated earnings, driven by organic growth and augmented by inorganic investment, with steadily growing revenue visibility from increasing build-up of marquee clients. At the stock trades at 19.2 times its FY25 and 15.2 times its estimated FY26 earnings per share respectively. Today we have an update on TVS Motors. Our analyst maintains buy on TVS Motor with a revised price target of Rs 1,769. In expectation of gradual revival in export volumes, successful launches in EV space, and sustenance of high EBITDA margins, TVS Motor is targeting a ramp-up of EV production and plans to expand EV portfolio in coming months. Its export volume recovered to above 1 lakh units in September 23, first time after July 22. The stock trades at a price to equity multiple of 23.8 times its FY26 estimates. Next on radar is BSE Ltd. Our analyst maintains positive view on BSE Ltd with a potential upside of 30% from the current market price. BSE Ltd is witnessing strong traction in derivative volume since it relaunched the weekly index option contract for Sensex and Bankex in May 23. BSE's option notional average daily turnover is up 1.5 times month on month to Rs 26.4 trillion in September 23, while premium average daily turnover volume is up 1.2 times month on month to Rs 14.9 trillion. BSE's derivative market share gain is impressive. Market share for BSE's options notional turnover improved to 7.4% in September 23, up 400 bips month on month, while market share in premium ADTV increased to 2.30% in September 23, which is up 120 bips month on month. Cash market average daily trading volume has also picked up strongly due to a strong uptick in derivative volumes. An uptick in volumes for the equity and index derivative segment and gradual hikes in transaction charge in the derivative segment in near to medium term are the key growth catalyst. The stock is currently trading at 30 times FY25 core earning estimate and 23.7 times its FY26 core earning estimate versus earnings CAGR of 40% over the next 3 years. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 12 months. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.